Why do so many communities lose momentum so quickly? Members sign up, but engagement drops, and soon your community starts to feel empty. What if there's a way to welcome every new member, guide them, and spark activity automatically without having to do it manually? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today with Fluent Community. In this video, I'll cover everything from the first login to long-term engagement, plus some next-level automations that save your time while keeping your members connected. So let's jump in. A member's journey starts the moment they log in. With Fluent Community, you can create custom login and sign-up pages using Pematic, Fluent Forms, or Fluent Community itself. For a public community, you can auto-approve members instantly. For exclusive ones, you can moderate sign-ups to ensure the right people join. And right after they're in, you can deliver a personalized welcome message or onboarding guide. Once inside, members need to feel the energy of your community, and nothing communicates that better than the community feed. It's where conversations spark, ideas are shared, and updates come to life. An active feed showcases lively discussions, ongoing projects, interactive polls, and member updates, all of which signal that this is a space worth belonging to. Fluent Community makes sure your members stay informed and connected at all times. Through automated notifications, they are instantly alerted when someone replies to their comment, likes their post, or starts a new discussion. Breaking the ice for newcomers is easier than you think. Maybe it's a warm welcome post for newcomers, a quick poll to gather opinions, or a space where members proudly share their latest work. These small but powerful actions transform passive viewers into active contributors. And in Fluent Community, participation is always rewarded, and the leaderboard takes it a step further. Every reaction, every like, and every contribution earns point, pushing members up the ranks and onto the active list, and highlighting members who contribute the most. It's not just a ranking system, it's a way to create a healthy, friendly competition. Members naturally feel motivated to share more, contribute ideas, and support others when they see their efforts recognized. But recognition isn't only about numbers. With user badges, you can highlight top contributors, experts, or long-term members in a more professional way. Think of yourself joining a discussion and instantly spotting who the community hero or top contributor is. It gives context, credibility, and a sense of pride for the member who earned it. In case you need to see the detailed insights on how everything is working inside your community, the reports are always there for you. Now comes the best part. The automated engagement takes a huge jump with Fluent Community's deep integrations with Fluent CRM. Want to automate the community member onboarding process, notify clients whenever they unlock a new level on the leaderboard, or notify them about the updates in their course? The triggers are all set for you. Not just that, if you want to add any action block in any of the existing automations, you can do that too. Let me show you examples of a few automations that can help you get the best out of this dynamic duo. These automations ensure your members always feel supported, informed, and valued without managing every step manually. So whether you are running a professional network, a learning hub, or a brand community, Fluent Community makes it easy to automate engagement and create connections that last long. The best part, once set up, it keeps working for you in the background. So what are you waiting for? Grab Fluent Community today and start automating your members' journey from just joined to fully engaged.